Good morning, students. Welcome to our Maths class. We have seen the measurements topic, isn't it? For that, we shall recall some. What are the topics we see in measurements? Parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezium. We shall see some notes. Area of parallelogram is equal to BH square units. Perimeter of parallelogram is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Okay. Then area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2 square units. Okay. Then if base and height are given, the area of rhombus is BH square units. Then area of trapezium, half into A plus B into H square units. Okay. Then sixth sum. A parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as trapezium. One pair of non-parallel sides is known as trapezium. Okay. Now we shall move to the challenge problems. Challenge problems. Seventh problem. In a parallelogram PQRS, see the diagram, PM and PN are the heights corresponding to the sides QR and RS respectively. Okay. Here from P, one height is to RS side. Okay. Another height is to QR, the side QR. That is M and N. Okay. Respectively. If the area of the parallelogram is, full area of the parallelogram is 900 square centimeter and the length of PM and PN are 20 centimeter and 36 centimeter. The length of PN, P to N is 36 centimeter. So the height 1 is 36 centimeter. Then height 2 is 20 centimeter. Find the length of the sides QR and SR. Length of the sides QR and SR. Okay. You have to find the sides. That is the base for that. If the height is coming from here means this is a base for this height. Then if the height is from here means this is the base for this height. Okay. You shall see the problem. And draw the diagram. Okay. First we shall see B1, H1. For this we are for P, Q, R. Isn't it? One parallelogram I have drawn. Then P, Q, R, S. Okay. Here this is, I will take this as H1. This is base 1. For this we shall find the base 1 first. Okay. For both the area is same. Okay. Area of a parallelogram is 900 centimeter square. So now we shall find B1 H1 is equal to 900. So now we know this H1. H1 is 20 centimeter. So 20 substitute here and bring this 20 this side means it will come to the denominator. So B1 is equal to 900 by 20. 0, 0 gets cancelled. Now B1 is equal to 45. If we cancel 2 table, 1 times this is 45. Okay. So B1 is equal to 45 centimeter we have found. So now we have to find the base 2. From here it is coming the height. So this is the base. Okay. Step 2. B2, H2, the same area, 900. So now H2 is 36 centimeter. Now keep B2 here, bring the 36. Now you cancel or divide like this, 900. 36 2s are 72. Then you subtract 18 and bring down 0. Then 36 5s are 180. So B2 is 25 centimeter. Okay, now we have found QR is equal to 45 centimeter and SR is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, we shall see the 8th problem. That is, if the base and height of a parallelogram are in the ratio 7:3 and the height is 45 centimeter square, centimeter, then find the area of the parallelogram. The base and height of the parallelogram are in the ratio. They are given the base and height of the parallelogram as 7:3 ratio. Okay. And the height is 45 centimeter. So, how many parts here? 7x and 3x. If they are given in the ratio means we have to give x for both 7x and 3x. Okay. Given. Before that you have to draw the diagram. Okay. That is 3x is the height. H here, H. Then 3x is equal to 45. Then 7x is base. So base of the parallelogram is 7x. Height of the parallelogram is 3x. Now 3x is equal to 45 centimeter. To find the area of a parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram is equal to BH square units. That is 3x is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 by 3. Now we cancel. Then it will 15 centimeter. X is equal to 15 centimeter. So base is equal to 7x we know. So 7 into 15, 105 centimeter. Then h is equal to 3x. That is 3 into 15, 45 centimeter. Now area is equal to BH is equal to 105 into 45. That is equal to 4725 centimeter square. Now answer. Area of a parallelogram is 4725 centimeter square. Okay. Then 9th problem. We shall see the 9th problem. For 9th problem, they are given the diagram. Okay. The diagonal is, it is in the form of parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram ABCD. Find the area of a parallelogram ABCD. AC is, this is a diagonal. That is AC is 24 centimeter and BE and DF are 8 centimeter. Okay, you have to find the area of the parallelogram. Okay, you draw the diagram. Then step 1. Here you have to take this as 2 right angles. Okay, you find the area of the first right angle and second right angle. Add both. That is the area of a parallelogram. Have you understood? Okay. Now we shall take one side AB. ABC is one side, one triangle, and ACD is one triangle. Okay. First we shall take ABC triangle. From a triangle ABC, base is 24 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Here from B it is going 8 centimeter. So this is the base for that. So base is 24 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Then area of a triangle is equal to half into BH square units. Okay. Then half into 24 into 8. Now you can cancel this 2. 4. 4 4s are 16, 6, remainder 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 96 centimeter square. Okay. For that second from ACD, here also base is 24 centimeter and 8 centimeter height. Okay, that is B2 and H2. Okay, that is area of a triangle is, if you are same for half into 24 into 8, that is 96 centimeter square. If you add these two, we will get the area of the parallelogram ABCD. Okay. Step 3. area of a parallelogram is equal to 96 plus 96 centimeter square. That is equal to 192 centimeter square. So now the area of a parallelogram is equal to 192 centimeter square. And we shall move to the 10th problem. That is, if they are given a diagram. Okay. Here also they are given two heights, DEF and BE. Two heights they are given. Then also for that they are given two bases also. For this BE, the base is 35. For DF, the base is 49 centimeter. Now, you shall read the problem. Find the area of the parallelogram ABCD is 1470 square centimeter. For this area is 1470 centimeter square. If AB is equal to 49 centimeter and AD is equal to 35 centimeter, then find the height of DF and BE. You have to find the height, both heights. Okay. I have drawn the diagram. First you take DF height. Okay, this is the height. For this height, this is the base. BAB is the base. Base is equal to 49 centimeter. Area is equal to 1470 square centimeter. Then area of the parallelogram is equal to BH square units. Here the H is, keep H here. Then bring the 49 this side. You divide. 49, 3s are 147. Then 0. 1 0 extra. So we are adding 0. So H is equal to 13 centimeter. That is DF is equal to 30 centimeter. Then we shall take the next one. This BE height. Okay. For that the base is 35 centimeter. And area is both the area is same. Okay. These two H's are inside the one parallelogram. So the parallelogram area is 1470 centimeter square. The area of the parallelogram is equal to BH square units. That is 35 into H is equal to 1470. Then bring the 35 this side. Then it is become the denominator. Now divide. 4 times 140. Then subtract 7. Then bring down 0. 70 is 2 times. Okay, height is equal to 42 centimeter. So that BE is equal to 42 centimeter. And answer, DF is equal to 30 centimeter, BE is equal to 42 centimeter. Okay, now we shall move to the 11th problem. One of the diagonals of rhombus is thrice as the other. If the sum of the length of diagonals is 24 centimeter, then find the area of the rhombus. Okay. I shall draw the diagram first. That is ABCD is a rhombus. They are given D1 and D2 as diagonals. Okay. First, they are said that D1 is equal to 3 times D2. Okay. D1 is equal to one of the diagonals of the rhombus is thrice as the other. Okay. 3D2. Okay. So the another one hint they are given. D1 plus D2 is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we know the D1. So substitute here. 3D2 plus D2 is equal to 24. Okay. Now D2, 3D2 plus 1D2, 4D2 is equal to 24. Bring the 4 this side. Then D2 is equal to 66 centimeter. So D1 is equal to 3 into D2, no. So 3 into 6 is equal to 18 centimeter. So D1 is equal to 18 centimeter, D2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Now in step 2, we shall find the area of the rhombus. That is half into D1 into D2 square units. That is half into 18 into 6. Now you cancel this. 9 2s are 18. So 9 6 are 54 centimeter square. Then area of the rhombus is equal to 54 centimeter square. Okay. Then 12th problem. Given a man has to build a rhombus shaped swimming pool. One of the diagonal is 13 meter and the other is twice the first one. So D1 is 13 centimeter and D2 is twice the first one. So 2 into 13, that is 26 meter. Okay. Then find the area of the swimming pool and also find the cost of cementing the floor at the rate of rupees 15 per square centimeter. Okay. Then it is a rhombus shaped swimming pool. Okay. One diagonal D1 is equal to 13 meter. Other diagonal is D2 is equal to 2 into D1 is equal to 2 into 13, that is equal to 26 meter. Cost of cementing 1 meter square is equal to rupees 15. To find the cost of cementing the floor of swimming pool. Okay. Then solution. Area of the rhombus shaped swimming pool. The formula is 1 by 2 into D1 into D2 square units. That is 1 by 2 into 13 into 26 is equal to, can cancel 2 and 26, that is 13. 13s are 169 meter square. The cost of cementing 1 meter square is equal to rupees 15. So 169 meter square is equal to 15 into 169. So you multiply 169 and 15. Okay. Then the answer is 2535 rupees. 2535. That is the cost of cementing. Then we shall see the 13th problem. Find the height of the parallelogram whose base is 4 times the height and whose area is 576 square centimeter. Okay, find the height of the parallelogram whose base is 4 times the height. Okay, h is height is h, then the base is 4 times h, 4h, and whose area is 576 square centimeter. Then you have to find the height and base. Draw the diagram. The height is h and base is 4 times h, that is 4h. Height of the parallelogram is equal to h centimeter. Base of the parallelogram is equal to 4h centimeter. Then area of the parallelogram is equal to 576 into square centimeter. To find the base and height. Solution. Area of a parallelogram is equal to BH square units. We know that base is 4h and height is h. That is, you bring the 4 this side means then the denominator. So divide. 1 4 is 4, remainder 1, then bring the 7, 4 4s are 16, remainder 1, again bring down 6, then 16, 4 4s are 16. Then h into h is h square is equal to 144. Then h square is equal to 12 square. Then square gets cancelled and h is equal to 12 centimeter. Then base is equal to 4 into 12, that is equal to 48 centimeter. And base is equal to 48 centimeter and h is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the answer. Then we shall move to the 14th sum. The tabletop is in the shape of trapezium. It is in the shape of trapezium with measurements given in the figure. Find the cost of the glass used to cover the table at the rate of rupees 6 per 10 square centimeter. Okay. The tabletop is in the shape of trapezium. They given the opposite sides, that is A and B, to 200 centimeter and 150 centimeter. Then the height is 50 centimeter. And they want to cover with the glass. For that, 10 square meter is rupees 6. Then how much rupees we need for covering this by glass? Okay. You draw the diagram as trapezium and plot a length of the parallel sides of trapezium. A is equal to 150 centimeter and B is equal to 200 centimeter. Height h is equal to 50 centimeter. Then glass cost is 10 meter square is equal to rupees 6. To find the cost of glass used to cover the table. Then solution. Area of the trapezium shaped table is equal to 1 by 2 half into A plus B into H square units. Then half into, you substitute A, B and H. Now you cancel this, it will come as 25, isn't it? Then the 350 into 25, 8,750 centimeters square. The area of the tabletop is 8,750 centimeters square. Now we have to find the cost of glass to cover that. Okay, 10 meter square is equal to rupees 6. So 8,750 meter square is equal to, we divide by 10. How many tens in this? 875 tens into 6. Okay, 875 tens into 6. You multiply and write. That is rupees 5,250. The cost of glass to cover the table is equal to rupees 5,250. Okay. All must write the question. Question with answer you have to write in the classwork note. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.